Hello and welcome to the River Thames here in London for the 2012 Olympic rowing event. I'm sure you'll agree that the Olympic Committee have done a wonderful job in cleaning up the River Thames. All sorts of animals are returning back to this majestic river. And there's Captain Jack and his new ship. Anyway, on with the race. We have Great Britain on the far bank towards the top of the screen and Australia towards the bottom of the screen. Okay, and we are racing. Great Britain make a quick start there, but Australia not too far behind. Remember, this is a 2,000 metre course, of course.
Is that a crocodile on the other bank?
Don't be ridiculous. Ah! A crocodile! Help!
I don't know what all the buzz was about. Come on, Snowflake, let's go home.
Right, well, sorry about that, viewers. Now, perhaps we can get on with the... Oh no.